Hey guys, welcome to Financial Advice where we talk about finances. If you got started in cryptocurrency this month, you are probably waking up to a bad morning. The market got down as low as 30% for some cryptocurrencies. Overall, the market is down 20%. The recovery is starting to kind of happen. Prices got really low. What is going on? Well, we all know about Elon accepting Bitcoin and then refusing Bitcoin for his company Tesla. And that was bad news, and people reacted to it because the whole point of cryptocurrency is to be able to use it as currency. I think that's a goal of cryptocurrency. Elon isn't a bad guy. He stated that he's just going to be looking for a different cryptocurrency that will be accepted. China stated that they are refusing cryptocurrency. I read a report that China goes back and forth on cryptocurrencies, and to be honest, they might be doing that on purpose to manipulate the market to have it crash down lower. There were big profits as well. I mean, cryptocurrency had a really good run from February to about 2 weeks ago, and you see those big profits, and if you've been an investor for a long time, that generally doesn't happen like that. Like even in the stock market, you'll have big runs, but you learn to like, hey, I'm gonna sell because we just had a big run, and generally, when you have a big run, you have a big drop. Also, the SEC is giving out its salt on cryptocurrency, and so just a lot of bad news in the last 2 weeks. Now, when I look at an investment, I look at the 5 year commitment, or I at least hold for a year, and that has to do with taxes. You pay less taxes if you hold for over a year, but also you hold for a year or longer because you want to see your investment grow. It's not like you put it in and then 2 months later you're hitting it big because you put your life savings in and it had a good run. That is just a risky gamble. A better strategy is like, for example, I bought Ethereum at about 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, and climbing it up, and then at around like 3,000 and definitely 4,000 at that price point, that's getting out of my league. Um, and so you stop investing and you move on to another security and start investing in that asset. And if the prices drop, you come back and you start buying again if you've got money available, and you see if it grows, and if it doesn't grow, you just hold and wait and see. So if you're losing today, just give it a few months. Just give it a few months. Cryptocurrency has fallen like this before. It stays low for a few months, and then it climbs back up, and it gets to a new high price point. That's what I'm trying to say. It gets to a higher price that it's never hit before. So Bitcoin is down at a low. Ethereum is down at a low. Ethereum could be back up to 5 to 6,000, and I think more towards the end of the year, Bitcoin could surpass 64,000 and be at 70,000. So there's still a lot of momentum in the long term, and the outlook. I think Dogecoin will hit its dollar mark. So just try to stay positive. Try to, think analytically. It's not the end of the world. It's just what I've described. It's just bad news for the last 2 weeks. And when good news starts to happen and roll in, and another company says, "Hey, we're accepting this currency," and you get that type of news, the market starts to switch around. If you happen to had bought into Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is still up 200%, and Ethereum is up over 1,000% from the beginning of this year. So even though we had a big drop off, if you got started in this month, it's just you're taking a bite of a bad apple. I think we are still okay with cryptocurrency. I don't think we're in a blockbuster Circuit City type situation quite yet. Stay strong and be diligent with your investing. Diversify. Don't invest your whole life savings. A percentage, like 10% of your income, is a really good idea to distribute. And guys, thank you for watching this video. As always, check out financialadvice.blog. Check out my other videos. And, try to have a good day. It'll get better.